Hello, welcome and welcome back. This is a portfolio review video for the week 23 of 2024. These portfolio review and update videos I'm doing every second week after my bi-weekly paycheck hits the account. The content of the video will include a walkthrough of what has happened during the last 2 weeks. I'll talk about the distribution of the paycheck, I'll show the dividends that I've received as well as opened and closed positions, I'll show the random opportunity income that I got, and I'll wrap up with a review of investment goals and progress. Let's start with paycheck distribution. This stretch was a bit special as I have not only received my salary but also a hefty amount as a tax refund, which resulted in a rather significant amount going to the investments. After replenishing my cash at hand fund, which I try to keep to the level of 6 months of my family living expenses, I was able to put full tax refund and almost 27% of a paycheck into my investment portfolio. This 27% is calculated without inclusion of my contributions to retirement saving accounts, as these contributions are deducted from my paycheck under company match plan, and I don't have a chance to touch or allocate that money myself. Overall, 27% is okay. I expected a bit more, but have a significant one-off expenses period for which I had to pay back to my cash fund before investing the leftover. Over the last 2 weeks, I've received dividend payments from five different investments. QYLD European variant paid me 223.79 euros in monthly dividend distributions. XGSD Global Select Dividend European ETF paid me a little bit above 55 euros, which is a quarterly distribution, and I also got slightly above 7 euros in total from my three new Canadian high yield monthly dividend ETFs. I'm currently totaling slightly above 286 euros of received dividends over the month of June, and forecast a little bit above 440 euros to be received for the full month. To compare, last year I received 179 or almost 179 euros in dividends, which puts this year's dividends more than double when comparing to the previous year. To take a look into changes to the portfolio over the last 2 weeks. So first of all, I bought into three new Canadian high-yield monthly dividend ETFs that are yielding between 10 and 15%. And I did this through the TFSA. This is a little bit of an experiment, and I'm trying this one out to see how these positions perform over the long term. Additionally, I have reinvested some dividends received before and got free shares of IGN, which is a European utilities provider. The additionally invested cash from the tax refund and from my salary went into my standard portfolio position. So I bought QYLD, both European and US ETFs. I bought some of a European super dividend ETF, as well as SCHD and DGRO. I also bought some shares of Brightspear Capital and Blackstone Mortgage Trust, as both of these companies are currently yielding around 14% on the current price level. Basically, this summarizes all the trades that I've made over the last couple of weeks. Moving to opportunity income. This period was rather fruitful. First of all, what do I call opportunity income? This is any income which does not come from employment or investments. You can call it side hustles of some sort. Over the last 2 weeks, I got 30 Canadian dollars in DoorDash credit, and I got this through Buff Gaming stats tracking platform. Got 8 Canadian bucks from recycling, 10 Canadian bucks in crypto bonus from Wealth Simple platform benefits, and finally, I got 41 euro cents micro benefit in crypto for passing some of the trainings on Revolut platform. For those interested in similar opportunities, you can find some referral links with various bonuses down in the description of the video. If you use those links, both you and I would get something out of that. To wrap up the video, let's take a look into progress of my overall investment goals. My total net worth, both investment portfolio and cash in hand, grew around 3.59% over the last 2 weeks. My current average monthly passive income is at 754 euros, which puts me at a very, very close distance of reaching a first significant goal, of monthly passive income being the same as the cost of living without rent for one person in my hometown. That is it for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the referral links below, and I will see you in a couple of weeks.